Hey class, this is exam 3 review on limits and continuity. So here we are given a graph and we are to go ahead and read what the limit is of the function. So the main idea here is to take a look at the left hand and the right hand limit. Okay, so when x is approaching -3, so we're looking at -3 from the left and from the right. Both of these are approaching this number right here, this value right here, and let's say that is like 3.3. I'm gonna go ahead and name that point. I'm gonna go ahead and estimate that to be 3.3. So that is the limit as x goes to -3. The function value is going to 3.3 roughly. Okay, now when x is approaching -1, so part B is asking when x is approaching -1 from the left, right? This is -1 from the left. So approaching -1 from the left, here's -1 from the left. Your function value is approaching 1. And then from the right, your function value is approaching -3. So 1, -3. Therefore, the limit as x goes to -1 does not exist. And that is because from the left and from the right are not the same. So we cannot determine the limit at that point. Okay, when x is going to 2, 2 is right here on the left. Our function is going to -1. From the right, the limit is 2. Therefore, the limit at x equal to 2 does not exist because left and right hand limits are not the same. So when x is approaching 3, the function from the left is approaching 5, from the right is also approaching 5, so the limit is 5. Now there is one point it is interesting that the question didn't ask is the limit as x goes to -2, right? So at x go to -2, the function has a limit of 4. However, f of -2 does not exist. Okay, so that's why there is a hole right there. Actually, f of -2 is not that it's doesn't exist there. It's actually is this value right there, and that is f of -2. I missed that point there, is 2. So even though f of -2 is 2, the function has a limit of 4 at that point.